Hello people, good morning. This is day 2, early in the morning, 3:30. I'm up and ready for the darshan, and it's too windy and it's pretty cold as well.
Om Namah Shivaya.
The temple is surrounded with the other temple, that is Datta Mandir, and couple of shops, and there is a lot of residential houses around.
And they started cleaning, and the Abhishekam is being done.
దర్శనం ఎంత బాగా అయిందంటే అంత బాగా అయింది. మార్నింగ్ 3:30కి అట్లా వచ్చేసాను. 4 o'clock దర్శనం స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అంటే, అండ్ 5 o'clock అయింది. హారతి మన దగ్గర హైలైట్ ఏంటంటే, మన దగ్గర బిల్వపత్రాలు లేవు. ఇంకో ఈయన నా వెనకాల ఉన్నారు కదా, ద వన్ హూ స్టాండింగ్ రైట్ బిహైండ్ మీ. I mean, we started sharing our experiences and what all places to go. Uh, he suggested me, if I'm going to Trimbakeshwar, I have to visit Vani. Shaktipeeth, one of the Shaktipeeth, it seems. It's somewhere around 92 kilometers from Trimbakeshwar.
Enjoy the sunrise around the Bhimashankar Jyotirlinga. Started the journey from Bhimashankar to Trimbakeshwar. Just want to record a stunning video with this aerial view. Somehow the drone stopped working on the option of follow me option. But I have just stopped and I was just looking for the some settings, and then all of a sudden I just turned my head back, looking for where is the drone, and just in front of my eyes, the drone just crashed. It just hit the iron pole and then crashed. So sad, and I had to stop.
Terribly, the drone crashed. Now I just have to see whether it's gonna work or not. Successfully, I have damaged the drone. Not sure what else to do. You see everything here. The drone just hit that pole, metal one. I think I just have to get it serviced.
They started pretty well, and this thing has happened.
Reached Trimbakeshwar temple. It's 1 p.m. and then initially the plan is to stay here for this Parsha Darshan, wherein upon checking just got to know that they won't allow anyone to touch the linga. When in Rome, be a Roman. So when at Trimbakeshwar or visiting any Shiv temple, yes, I love to get this thing done. Okay. The update on Trimbakeshwar temple darshan is we have 200 rupees VIP darshan ticket, wherein for that, if you're not aware of it, you need to walk all around 700 meters close to. So you can book the ticket through online as well, 200 rupees ka. No need to walk 600-700 meters ahead and stand in the queue for the reservations. I think that's the temple. I have wasted almost 30 minutes, close to 30 minutes. So darshan time would at least take another 1.5 hour. So hoping for the best.
वो देखिए वहां बैठे हैं हमारे महादेव।
Grishneshwar temple from Trimbakeshwar. This is situated right at the highway, but this has good ambience and have the restaurant as well. This is the perfect place for family. You can come here with friends as well. I'm here at the Grishneshwar temple. It feels so blessed. As wished I'm here. So I planned 3 Jyotirlingas and this is the third Jyotir. People, they don't allow mobiles inside, but somehow I managed to bring the mobile and capture it. Har Har Mahadev. This is the view from my room. I haven't noticed it at all. You see the Shivling right up there. That's where the temple is located, and if you look at the waving flag there, that's the main temple of Grishneshwar, and that is the highway. Almost reached home. It's just 1 kilometer away. Time is 7:33. As per the ETA in the morning, we have reached the final destination. Finally, I'm home. All credits just with the blessings of Lord Shiva. I've been to 3 Jyotirlingas and I'm back. A beautiful experience of this trip. 3 days, 3 Jyotirlingas, and overall 738 kilometers. Sorry, 1738 kilometers. As expected, the drone front sensors gone. So it is charging 11. As in, these people are traveling. I mean, they won't be available for next couple of days. But for us, I too want the drone by at max to max by Wednesday, as in we are traveling to IBW. So I have requested them if that is just the sensor issue, that doesn't take any time, but we have some other issues. So they'll check, do the calibration, camera, gimbal calibration and everything, and they'll hand over to us. Fingers crossed. Back to base.